Hello, and welcome to Cover to Credits, the bi-weekly podcast where we discuss books. Fuck.
Me must talk louder.
Me must talk louder. Me talk loud for podcast.
Me talk loud. Me talk loud a long time.
Me talk loud all night long. This is a test.
This is another test.
We're testing again.
We're testing again.
I'm going to keep talking loud.
Talking loud.
Talking loud,
as
talking
I do,
proud.
because I always talk loud. I talk loud all the time. In fact, people have to tell me to stop talking loud.
I can't tell you how many times I've heard people just say, Adina, shut the fuck up.
Adina, stop talking so loudly.
I'm excited to talk about the fucking.
The fucking.
The fucking.
The great fucking.
I might get amped up this time.
I might get really amped up because I am passionate.
I am also passionate.
We are both passionate.
We're passionate people.
We are.
Not for each other.
No.
Only for books.
Never.
Specifically Twilight.
Only Twilight. Yeah.
So, but like, I have a lot of vocal fry in my voice.
Really?
Yeah. It just like naturally kind of starts grating.
Do I have that too?
No, not at all. Your voice is so much better than mine on recordings. I hate it. I hate how much better you sound.
I'm just superior evolutionarily speaking.
Significant.
If I became a vampire, my voice would become like the most gifted part of me. And I would just sing and humans would flock to me and present their blood to me.
You'd be like, take it.
I will try not to move around, but I like to move around, and I'm gonna stop someday. I'm gonna just stop moving.
Okay.
Someday.
Someday. We all stop moving someday.
You know what I'm saying? Right now it's fine. I'm like right where I need to be, and I'm really talking about Inherent Vice because it's important to this conversation for us to talk about it.
This is our greatest podcast episode ever.
This is going to be amazing.
It's going to be so good.
Wow. Wow. Nothing quite like the trail to whet your appetite for a cold Snapple lemonade.
Snapple. Drink it from the navel of a 20-something Pacific Crest hiker. Don't fucking look at me. Don't fucking look at me when I'm putting socks on.